Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Menhaka artrik unaitung katnat police East Khas Hills kalawan penpoi biang U Silom James ubre uwei na ki runar balakno hapo kamukot duma siat yap ya uraja Raghuvanshi. Yagani la yathudo Assistant Public Prosecutor Tushar Chanda Shakilat pathai khubor hadin balami na ying bishar. Kakashri Judicial Magistrate First Class balakri daka DK ke Mizel kalapha aset along na kabda khat sausngi ya U Silom James ubre uwei na ki runar balakno hapo kamukot duma siat yap ya uraja Raghuvanshi. Katba ya ulokan ratomar trying flat but ubalbir ahirbar nong abjinken jongkate ka yeng la phaset along tang nyosngi loong ba usilom ubdei urunar bahakmat agane ga jingsiat yam ulasa ahing flat jung utomar hadin bula phen nasora.
You see, the accused Silom James, Billa and Lokendro, they were produced before the Honorable Court today after their police custody is over today. So IU has prayed for 14 days judicial custody, and after hearing at length by the prosecution side, I appeared, and from legal aid Mr. Sudeep Rana appeared. So after hearing at length, court has remanded Silom James 14 days judicial custody and other two accused, that is Lokendra and Billa, for 7 days judicial custody.
Why only 7 days for the two?
Only
you can
one
ask the
14 days custody, right?
Yes.
And Silom James.
Silom James for 14 days judicial custody, and this Lokendra and Billa 7 days judicial custody.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.